Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are unboxing and reviewing the Floriya Glass Jar and Container with a rust-free airtight metal lid. This versatile storage solution is perfect for your home, for office or kitchen. So guys, add a touch of elegance to your kitchen with beautiful glass container. Not only do they look stunning, but they also help keep your kitchen organized and clutter free. Perfect for storing spices, oils, coffee, tea and more. These glass containers are a must have for any kitchen. With their clear design, you can easily see what to inside, making it easy to find what you need. Plus, they are easy to clean and durable, making them a great addition to your kitchen. Get organized and add some style to your kitchen with beautiful glass containers. So guys, first impression matter, and I have to say the packaging is silk and professional. Let's dive right in. And the glass jar itself is beautifully crafted, offering a clear view of its contents. This makes it ideal for organizing everything from pantry staples to office appliances, and the high quality glass ensure durability while also being easy to clean. Now let's talk about the lid. It's made from rust-free metal, which is a significant upgrade compared to plastic lid that can wear out over time. And the airtight seal is a game changer. It's keep your food fresh longer and protect your item from moisturize and paste. I love how this jar can easily fit into any decor style. Whether you are going for a rustic kitchen vibe or a modern office look, it blends seamlessly. Plus, it stackable. Your can save space on your shelf or countertop without sacrificing style. One of the thing feature, it's incredibly versatile. Use it for storing snacks, spices and craft appliances, or even as a decorative piece filled with seasonal item. The possibility are endless. And the Floriya Glass Jar and Container check all the boxes: style, design, durable material and practical functionality. If you are looking to elevate your storage game, I highly recommend giving this jar a try. So guys, if you want to purchase this product, the initial link is in description box, so you can check it out. Thank you for watching my video, and I truly appreciate each and every one of you who takes the time to tune me, and your support means the world to me. And every view, like and comment is not just a number, it's a reminder that I am connecting with real people who share my patience. It motivates me to keep creating content that inspire, entertain and inform. I strive to bring you valuable insight and engaging stories, and your feedback is invaluable in shaping that journey. So please keep sharing your thoughts, what you love, what you want to see more or of, and even what could be better. Your input helps me grow as a creator. Remember, this community is built on interactions. I want to hear from you. Let's continue this conversation in the comment or thought messages. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my